Hi everyone, Leigh here with Syncers on the math content team. Today we're going to look at an SAT question that is an algebra question. It can be done on the coordinate plane if you want a visual. It is a bit more challenging. This problem says the table gives the coordinates of 2 points on a line on the xy plane. The y-intercept of the line is k minus 5, comma b, where k and b are constants. What is the value of b? And then they give us 2 points. There's a few different ways you can enter the problem. The first thing to consider is that this is a y-intercept, and you know that any y-intercept, the x value is 0. So automatically you should consider the fact that if k minus 5 equals 0, then k has to be equal to 5. So whoops, didn't mean to zoom in and out. So automatically we've got some updated points here. We have 5, 13, and we have 12, negative 15. If we're going to solve for an unknown y value, it's going to be worth using one of the equations of a line, substituting in what you know, and then solving for the unknown. So no matter what, we're going to need the slope of the line, the change in y over the change in x. So the change in y between these 2 points is negative 28. The change in x between these 2 points is positive 7. So the slope we know is negative 28 over 7, which simplifies to negative 4. Now I'm going to use either of these points, but I'm going to plug it into point slope form. Y minus 13 equals negative 4x minus 5. And now we're trying to solve for b, where we have this coordinate point 0, b. So I'm now going to substitute that x and y value into these x and y values. B minus 13 equals negative 4. 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Now we can solve for b. b equals negative 4 times 5 is positive 20 plus 13, because we're moving this guy over to the other side, is positive 33. And you have your final answer for b. Follow and like for more. And if you want to see anything specifically, put it in the comments.